What's up guys, Paul the Tech Giant here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the hardware for the new Sky Stream service, which is the new way to get Sky's TV services, but without the need for a traditional dish. Now I'll also be doing a separate dedicated video where I'll run you through the setup process. We'll take a look at all the menus, what it looks like, all the prices, and how it compares to traditional Sky TV with a dish. So this is how your Sky Stream box will arrive. Now on the front of the box it says Sky Stream. Transform your existing TV by simply connecting a Sky Stream puck to enjoy the Sky experience in another room. Now to me this looks exactly like the puck that you get with Sky Glass. Now for those of you who don't know what Sky Glass is, that is Sky TVs that they sell which has the Sky Stream built in. So on the side of the box we have a pull tab. So lifting the lid then, and there we go. It reveals the box, or the puck as they call it, and the remote. So let's first take a look at the remote control then. And ooh, that's a lovely feel to that. Real nice soft touch. Mrs. Tech Giant, if you want to come on over here and have a feel of this. And the remote control. Now what I've got is the traditional remote control that you get with a Sky box.
Oh, it's like a silky.
Yeah, it's like a
silky feeling, isn't it?
Silky sort of rubber. Where as opposed to this one that you get with your standard Sky box is a shiny, sort of a hard shiny plastic. I definitely prefer the feel of this one. Now as we can see, the Stream remote is a little bit shorter, but the layout of the buttons is different. So let's have a look in closer detail. So we've got power there. We've got this directional button, which it is a clicker, where on here we've got these 4 directional arrows and an enter, so we still have an enter. Don't know if that's touch sensitive like that, we'll see when I do my main setup video. Looking at the top as well, looks like we've got a microphone hole there, so that's going to be for our voice commands. Now we've got this green home button as opposed to this long one on the traditional Sky remote. As well, obviously we don't have that Sky button at the top there either. Button there for the voice control. Then we have our volume up and down on the right hand side, where on the other remote it is on the left hand side. We have mute button, play, pause. Then we have a plus button and our numeric buttons. Now looking around the back, and on the old Sky remote we have the little compartment there for the batteries. But on this one we don't have any separate compartment. The whole back just simply pushes off like so to reveal the included 2 batteries, which are Duracell AAAs. And as you notice as well, there is a little pull tab there to activate those batteries. So let's set that remote off to one side now then, and let's remove the box or the puck. And wow, that is really, really thin. Now before we actually look around it, let's take some measurements. So I've got my trusty tape measure, and the width of the box is 10.5 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters again, and the height is approximately 1 3/4 centimeters. Now for those of you who don't like working in centimeters, I know Mrs. Tech Giant prefers working in inches, but here is a comparison compared to my Sky Q box. There we go, there's that puck just there. And as a bit further reference, there is an Apple 4K TV box. Now on the top of the box we have this black shiny Sky logo. Round at the front, looks like we've got an LED indicator just there. Moving around to the back, and we have our power input, HDMI, LAN, and what looks like an aerial socket. Flipping the box over, and we have an LED indicator just there, and a power button. Now I've got to say, one thing that I do like about Sky's hardware is that it's all colour coded, which is great for those people who are not tech minded. Right, let's move on then and see what else we have in this box. So nothing there, nothing underneath there. We have some safety information there, one for the box and one for the remote. Then we have a HDMI. As I said earlier, colour coded, so you'll know that the purple goes in the purple hole. Feels a decent construction. Again, sort of like a soft rubbery feel to that. And the length of that HDMI cable comes in at 1.5 meters. Next up, we have our power supply, which is branded there again with the Sky logo. Obviously being in the UK, that is a 3-pin plug. Once again, we get that color coded end. So we've got the blue there to match up with the blue on the box. And once again, the measurement for that power cable comes in at 1.5 meters. So that seems to be about it in the box. Yeah, sure enough, that is the lot. And yeah, no supplied LAN cable, which is strange to know that that is color coded there. But I'm sure you can connect this up via Wi-Fi. But yeah, a little bit odd that they don't supply one. So there you have it then, guys. That was my quick unboxing of the new Sky Stream box or puck. And if you enjoyed this video, just a favour, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, hit me up in the comment section. I'll do my very best to answer them. And if you've not already subscribed to the channel, then please consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. And don't forget, I will be doing that video where I'll fully set this up and test it out. So thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.